Task number 18R. Open the file saved in a task 18 queue. Produce a report that shows all the cars made by Ford. Displays only the make, model, color, S price, extras and valid field within the width of landscape page. Has the text report by and your name on the left in the header of each page. And as a title, all Ford cars in a stock, center align at the top of the first page. Has a subtitle, request for Mr. David Watson, right align in red at the top of the first page. Okay, so here we have to design this type of a page over here. Okay. To design this page, we have to open a previous task, that is a task 18Q. So here I am going to open the 18Q. 18Q is open here. Okay, so what we have to do, that we have to create a report. We have to create a report, and by using this report we can display the information about the make, model, color, S price, then extras, valid, etc. Okay, so here I am going to open okay, so here I'm going to open task 18Q query, and it is selected now, and now we have to create a report for this query. So to report for query, report for the selected query, you have to click on a create. That menu is given in a menu bar. Then report wizard is given here. Click on the report wizard so that it will ask which query you have to select or which table you have to select. Here we have to execute the query on table cars. Okay, so we have selected the cars table. Then what different options you want to select, those are given here. So we have to select make, model, color, S price, extras and valid. One more thing is given here that shows all of the cars made by Ford. Okay, so one query we have already executed, using which we have selected only the Ford manufacturer and their cars. Okay, just to check that query, I open one by one. No, it's not. I think it's HI. We will check this. Open. Yes, this is the query, that is a car task 18I. In this query you can see that all companies, all the cars having companies Ford are shown over here. Okay, so as per this first statement that shows all the cars made by Ford, we have to display report by executing the query on this, executing the executing or display the reports as per the query that we are executed first. So we have selected a query 18I, and in the 18i we have displayed all the cars having make Ford. Now on this query we want to execute report, so I have selected it. Click on a report wizard. In the report wizard, this car task 18i query is selected. Okay, now what different types of information we required? That is make we required first, then model is required, so I select model. Color is also required, then S price is required, year not required, extras required, and valid required. Okay, so selected fields are these: make, model, colors, price, S price, and price, and extras, and valid. Okay, now click on the next. Now here, do you want to add any grouping levels? No, we don't want to create grouping levels. So we'll select here what sort order do you want to your records. It's not given here that some ascending or descending order you have to use. So we are not selecting any option. So we will click on a next. Now here columnar, tabular, and justified given. You have to select tabular. And it said that here in this task, it is said that use a landscape page. Okay, use a landscape page. So here we are going to select landscape orientation instead of portrait. Now click over here so that adjust the width so all fields fit on a page. Okay, so we have to select it and click on next. Here it is asked that what title do you want for your report. Temporarily we will keep this as it is. Later on we are going to change this title. Okay, now modify the report. When your design is completed, you have to modify this some part. So click on a modify the report design and click on a finish. When you click on a finish, here the report wizard created a report. Now one by one the options we have to select and do changes as per the given in task. Now first is show all the cars made by Ford. This we have completed. Displays only the make, model, colors, S price, extras, these fields within the width of landscape page. Okay, that we have shown. Now here we have to display the text report by and your name on the left in the header of each page. Okay, on the left and header of each page. Now before that we have to change this title first. Okay, so title related task is also given here. Has a title all Ford cars in stock. It must be arranged at the center and top of the first page. So I select this content we want to copy or we want to paste over here. So I paste it here, or you can type over here all Ford's cars in a stock. Now if you see, the actual area of the report is ending over here. Okay, so what I will do, I will select the whole portion. It covers the whole portion, and I want to align this particular text at the center. Okay, to align this particular text at the center, we have to click on here property, select property sheet. Okay, so here property sheets is selected. I have to align this and at the center, so find the text dash align or text align property over here. So I will check the text align property LT. Here is the text align. you have to align it at the center, so it get aligned at the center. Now font color, here you have to change the font color. So font color is given over here. You can change the font color by click over here. You can select any color. I am selecting here blue. Okay, so blue color is applied over here. And next is we have to use one more content, that is a subtitle. That subtitle is request for Mr. David Watson. It must be rightly aligned and in color red. Okay, so this content we have to display rightly aligned on the first page at top position. Control C. Okay, here I am going to add it here. So use a label. Here is a label, and use that label over here. Okay, it must be displayed on the first page, right? Okay, so here I'm closing this. So here we can see the area for label. Okay, select this, close. Can I'm creating an area label. Okay, here I am to enter that content at request by Mr. David Watson. Okay, so this content we have to display at the right hand side alignment. So I select it, already selected. Okay, and property sheet, and in the property sheet we have to align it at the right hand side. Before that we will change the color of this text, that is a red, and it must be aligned to the text. So we'll check the text. TTTTLMPQRST text align. This must be aligned at the right hand side. So I'll click on the right. So here we can say it is aligned at the right with the red sign. Okay, now I will adjust the size here. Here is the page header. Okay, now I want to shift this page header. These are the different models are given. So what I will do, I will shift them . Okay, I'm going to select all by using control button. Here control plus selection. Okay, so here control plus selection, we have selected all the controls, all the titles, and I want to shift them downward. Just by using a downward arrow, you can shift them downward, or you can drag it by using mouse. Okay, so again I am shifting. Okay, now this space is enough. Here is a space for giving a subtitle. Here we want to give a subtitle. So here it is said that the subtitle must be has report by and your name. Okay, so here we have to provide a report by your name, and it must be aligned at the left in the header of each page. Okay, so here I want to draw a label. and here I'm going to type report by your name, so Arya. Okay, and this must be in a regular text. It is not mentioned that it should be green or red. Color is not mentioned, but it must be aligned at the left. It is already aligned at the left, so no need to align it again. Okay, now if you see the output of this report, then see how it could be displaying. Layout view. So this is the layout of whatever report you have generated. Now see this. Now see this this particular selection we have to arrange properly. So make is arranging. Now the models are given here. So we have selected the model. Then I'm arranging these models. Then here is a color of car. I'm arranging these. So arrange properly. Then here's S price is given. So arrange this properly. Now here extras. This you have to arrange. So extras are also arranged. Now valid. Okay, so here valid information is given. Now these things we have arranged in a proper manner, so it will display very neat. Okay, here we can see the title, and here is the request for Mr. David Watson and report by Arya, that is displayed on each page. Here makes are given, models are given, colors, price and extras are given. This print you can take print of this particular page. Okay, now what we have to do, we have to save this page. Okay, so we have to save this page by using task 18R. So here we have to save this task 18R, file, save as, save the object as, save. Here copy cars, task 18R. Okay, so now this is not required. Because here task 18R is completed. Okay, so these things we have saved, file, save, and now